2500 tick trap.
Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Come on, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining, everybody. Thanks for joining. Good morning, everybody. Welcome. I'm Bye Bye Money. And we're here back live at it again. Trading the Nascraq every single day. It's just cracked out of its mind. Completely out of its mind. Can you believe it? We had big news this morning. Hopefully, you guys took advantage of it. Just like yesterday's news, I posted about this news event saying how this news can pass your evals in one single trade. And lo and behold, you have one single candle that's 57 points, which is enough to pass any eval with max contracts. So hopefully you took advantage of it with this big spike up. And yeah, what else can I say? Hopefully you guys pay attention. If you don't, you'll get it next time. I post weekly on all the news events that I think are going to that are big enough to make or break your eval accounts. You know, just for those who want to get funded quickly. Now, by all means, if you want to trade slowly, trade legitimately, I encourage that as well. But if you want to get funded as quick as possible, it's the best way to do it with news. Good morning, pandas. Make sure you scalp that like button. Also drop a GM in the chat. Completely sideways price action. We had quite a strong move over here in the right when the market opened. The pre-open, I guess you can call it. Global session had a lot of volatility. Here's the news. And now here we are doing absolutely nothing. We're basically right at the previous day's close. Weekly chart, notice that we do break above here a little bit. Teeny weeny little bit. But I'm thinking if we break up again, it could really push up. Just because the 20 EMA is obviously acting as some sort of support. Let me say good morning to a couple of my pandas. Fat Fish, in it to win it. Good morning, Crimson Demon. Good morning. Pandas, make sure you scalp that like button. Also drop a GM in the chat. Hopefully you guys are here, alive and well, ready to make some bamboo. We're going to try something a little different today. We're going to try trade the take profit. These are evals. I'm trying to pass the take profit evals. You have to trade minimum of 5 days, but you can flip as many days as you want. The main issue is that one day can't surpass more than 50% of your account profits. So, most likely you have to trade at least, legitimately trade 2 days. And then that last day, you may have to get a little more profits just so, unless you can get exactly the same amount on both days, like 1,500 exactly on both days, then sure, okay. I'll tell you what though, the price action this week has been horrendous. Absolutely terrible. Like the entire week, I realized I can maybe handle 2 days worth of really bad price action. But when it's like a third day, I get so antsy. I'm trying to get in. And by the third day, it's tough. I think the mental capital is just like too little by the third day. You know, you're pretty antsy to make some bamboo, especially when you're streaming. Just staring at charts, very intently for like a couple hours per day. Doing that for, 3 days straight without any good price action is pretty tough. Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, pandas, pandas. Market's about to open in 2.5 minutes. Hope you guys are excited as I am.
Take profit.
These are 50K accounts, and if you if you make more than, and basically you have to make $3,000 to pass these accounts, similar to Apex, and so because of the consistency rule with the evals, the most you can make in any single day is 1,500. So that's our goal today. So we may trade kind of aggressive just because these are evals. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Gio, good morning. Fat Fish, I'm more excited than the fat kid at a buffet. That's pretty darn exciting. We are ready to go. Excuse me. We are ready to go, pandas. Are you ready? Are you ready, pandas? Forget yesterday, forget the day before that, forget the day before that, forget all the terrible price action we've had. Today's a new day, pandas. We're gonna get it. Raps are gonna get it. Why does President Trump is always tentative to speak? Why can't he just speak already? All right, we're just stuck in this consolidation here. Probably wait till market opens before we make a move. I'm pretty excited for Big Mama here. This is a weekly Big Mama. I think I'm going to go heavy on it. Looks like limit order price action though. I don't know. 1,500. What is it? 1,500 divided by 6 divided by 20. 12.5 points. 6 contracts. Market's open, pandas. Still stuck in this triangle. Gapping up on the 5-minute chart, right? The 5-minute chart, it's a big gap up here. 5-minute chart. That means we may try to fill the gap before we make a move. Or not, or we're breaking out right now.
2,500 tick trap.
Sit on our pause here, pandas. We're sitting on our pause. Woo-wee. Okay, big push up. Looks like we're breaking out now. Keeping a close eye on the weekly high, last week's high. We are blasting off here after this consolidation for like forever how long it was. Over like about an hour long consolidation here. 40 minutes. I'll take a pullback here if we get one. Whoa! Okay. Okay, that's a deep pullback. Very deep pullback. So deep. That's a very deep pullback. Am I still thinking long here? Coming off the 20 EMA, coming off of support at least. At least we have that going for the longs. Whoa! One single bar, you basically make up for all of this down move here. Wow. All right. Guess I should have gone long. Can we get it? Okay, let's see if we can get some bamboo here. Some bamboo rooskies. Some bamboo roonies. Nope. Not today. Outside bar reversal. Do I still want to go long here? Sure.
Target filled.
Okay. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. It's such a strong move. I'm just going on first entries. I don't even care. The 5-minute candle. Look at this 5-minute candle. It's freaking full blown. Wow. Getting ready for this. Breaking the previous week's high. I'm ready for it. Six contracts. That'll kind of be no fun, right? If I already get max and like, I'll switch to different accounts, I guess. If I hit this.
$2,500 tick trap.
2,500 tick trap, pandas. You hear that? You hear that? Pablo, welcome, welcome. Second entry long here. Oh, okay. I got it. Sorry. In this trade,
$2,500 tick trap.
okay. Made a new high. Made a new high. I want 10 points at least. I want 10 points at least. Okay, going sideways. Okay. I don't know, should I buy with a limit order here? Scale in once? Scale in once? Not a wide stop, but a stop here. I don't want a wide stop, but I want some bamboo. I want some room to cook. A little bit of room to cook, you know what I mean? Oh, okay, about to take me out. Jeez, all right. Oof, pain, big pain. I thought we would stay up a little bit higher. I didn't think we would all immediately reverse. Okay, it is what it is. Like the 5-minute candle so strong. I thought we had some follow through, but obviously not. Down 650. I think the threshold is an end of day threshold, so it's fine. It's a trailing threshold. It's an end of day trailing threshold on the The eval counts. So it's basically 2,500, I believe. No, not 25. 2K. Sorry, it's 2,500. Pretty good, right? 2,500 threshold in your goal to complete the evals 3,000. Or it reverses here. I mean, I was not ready for that, right? Strong bull candle, it's just strong red candle. Bear candle right after that. Basically matching the strong bull move. I was not ready for it. But I mean, I scaled in one time and that's it. You know, just take the hit. Especially when he reverses like that reversal pattern. Comes back all in. Wow. I'll tell you what. Look at the 5-minute candles. This candle, you thought it was strong? Nah. This candle stronger. It's completely reverses. I mean, I'm thinking downtrend now, huh? That's pretty brutal. That's very brutal. Let's see if I can get in here, though. I don't know. Maybe I can get in. It's kind of far away from 20 MA, so I don't think I need a runner. Yikes, can't even get in here. Thinking second just short at least now. Nah, first entries only. Second just short. Let's get it. Looks even better like this. Bad signal bar. Big down, big up. Could be trading range. Second just short. Big push down. Looking for some follow through here. Whoa! Pushing back up. I'm not sure if I want to extend my stop loss. Just gonna let it cook right here. If it hits me, it hits me. Move on, next trade. If I select the short, I can just go in short again. Alright, hits me. Jeez. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What did I do to you? Tricky market. I thought I was gonna make a new low at least. At the very least, make a new low. Now that we're bouncing like this, I don't know what to do here. I'm thinking one more push down. At least. Very, very minimum. One more push down. I could wait for a L4 setup here. L4, here we go. You're thinking at least another push down here. At the minimum. After L4 setup. Ooh, came in a little early there. Works out okay. Thinking at least another push down here. At least one more push down. I don't know if I want to keep scaling in though. Nah, I'm good. Let's take the hit. It's good risk reward here. Very good risk reward. I mean, huge push down. You're taking one more push down here right after L4 setup. Wow, but this is going to take me out, huh? Okay, never mind. I think we're in a good position here. I think. I could be wrong. Could easily be wrong. What in the world is happening? What in tarnation? Pandas! Get ready to get hit! Wow. I mean, it is what it is, but geez. Very good risk reward here. Fortunately, it may not be enough risk. I may have to... Wow. Pandas. How brutal is this? How brutal is that? Look at this. Nasty price action that came out of nowhere. Huge push down. Absolute no follow through. It's not what you're expecting. You're expecting follow through there. You also have a big up, big down. Could be just a straight up trading range right now. 5 minute. It's bouncing off the previous day's high. Strong bull bar, strong bear bar, maybe strong bull bar. Who knows at this point? Jeez Louise. But you just take the hit, move on. Or a small risk. But I think the reward was good. This is sim. No, this is take profit. Take profit. Take profit trader. If you want to sign up, the links are below. Use code BBM for 50% off. It's a bit more pricey. I would say everything is like double the price of Apex, but yeah, all in double the price of Apex essentially. Apex, you can pretty much get funded, like eval and funded, like activation fee for about $100. Take profit is about $200 to get evals and funded, like all together, everything. I shall try again. Let's try with a classic 4 contractor. Let's see what can be made of this. Second entry short, 2500 tick chart. Wow, doesn't trigger me, which I'm happy it didn't because if it did, probably take me out right away. Jeez Louise. I mean, good looking signal bar too for that second entry short. But now this is your new signal bar, and it's just not viable. It's just not viable. It's not a viable trade anymore, I don't think. Or is it? Or is it, pandas? The risk is freaky huge. Classic 4 contract trade. Let's try. Ah, it's such a bad signal bar. I don't think I can even take this.
2500 tick trap.
It is what it is. I feel like at this point, you gotta call it what it is. It's just gonna reverse back up, big down, trading range, essentially, hopefully. Not hopefully, but most likely. If that's the case, then I should not be trying to get into this trade. Yeah, no, thank you. Jeez Louise. 5 minute is just brutal. Big bull bar, no follow, big bear bar, no follow through. Bull bar ending on its high, some follow through. Because you're basically in this range. You have all the way up into here to be safe, essentially. Pandas, I hope you guys are doing well. I'm not 1300, but it's all good. Take profit accounts. Trying to pass the evals right now. And it's a trailing threshold, so... Trailing threshold. It's a daily trailing threshold, so it doesn't matter how much I lose, really, until the end of the day. So I get you short on the 2500 tick chart. It's nasty. It's above the 20 MA, but really good looking signal bar now. Big push down. That's what I wanted a while back. A while back I wanted that. a while back, you see. Bouncing off the previous day's close and high. Is it just bouncing? Lower high setup here. I'll scale in. Sometimes I want to scale in because then you can, you know, be in a bigger position. Seemingly decent trade here. Seemingly decent. Here's my swing stop. I'm gonna scale in. Thinking we're gonna get some follow through here. I'm thinking. A little bit of follow through here. Okay. Maybe no follow through whatsoever. Maybe no follow through whatsoever. Jeez Louise. Yuck. I want to scale in one time here. This is yuck. Come on, break even at this point because it's so yuck. I don't think I want another push up. I don't think I want another push up here. I don't want to break this high. I sure diddly don't want to break this high. At this point, just try to come out break even. Oh, yeah, I don't want to break this high. The high looks like it's going to be broken. Jeez. All right. This high is broken. I'm out. I'm done for this trade. Yeah, the swing stops too far. I'll just take the hit. If I still like the short, then I'll take it. Brutal. Brutality right here. I mean, the 5 minute just shows how difficult it is right now. It's completely overlapping bars. Another day of stinky price action. Stinky poo-poo. Here we go. I'll try again here. Whoa. Whoa. What just happened? I'm so confused. It like glitched. Oh, I see. About to trap me out here. Glitched on me. Whoa! What just happened to all my... What just happened? Okay. Not sure what's happening. Not sure what's happening right now. I do not know what happened to my order. Okay, I think okay, these accounts got liquidated at 2,000. Interesting. I thought it was 2,500. Well, pandas, it is what it is. Should I do now? Yeah, let's try it again. These glitches prove that take profit is trash. That was weird. I don't know what that was. That was wild. It like popped down then popped back up. It was crazy. I don't know if you guys saw that. I don't know if you guys saw that with your panda eyes, but that's what I saw. Okay. Well, eye pattern on the 5-minute chart. It looks bullish to me, the 5-minute. It looks bullish to me, the 5-minute chart. Big push up. What in the world? All right. Let's take profit again. Let's see how we do. Take profit again. The 5-minute looking quite bullish, right? Coming to the top of this range here. Big down, big up. Huge move down. You're thinking some follow through, but I guess it did have some follow through, just didn't break the low yet. It's absolutely crazy, this price action. Look at this drop down. It just gets pushed back up in the most choppy manner you could possibly imagine. Jeez. It's one of those days. Again, price action is terrible today. What can you do? What can you really do? Wow. I mean, This is 4 days of terrible price action. I can't. It's very difficult, right? On the mental capital, right? Every single day you're itching to make some bamboo, but you get price action like this every single day. It's tough. It's a tough one. Quite tough, if you ask me. All right, this is flying up here. Hmm. First entry. Maybe worth taking. If you're super eager to go long here, yeah, I guess it's worth taking. Jeez. Okay, now how much do I need in an Apex account of 250 to reach payout city? I have a 2500 tick chart up and also 5-minute chart. So I have higher time frames up all the time. You can't see them, but I have them on my screen. I switch them around to show you like what I see when there's something there. But otherwise, I always have the higher time frames. Pablo asks, Panda, how much do I need in an Apex account 250 to reach payout city? Well, if you're funded, you just need your threshold amount. I believe the threshold for 250 is 6,500, so you need to make $6,600 in order to reach payout city. Pre-market, I mean, depending on when you traded pre-market, but yeah, I mean, you got some pretty. This is like much better looking price action than all of this nonsense here, which is annoying when your pre-market's better than your than the regular trading hours. 8 pushes up currently. Back to 20 EMA. Completely overlapping bars, which gives cause for concern. But okay. Second entry long, setting up here. We have more room to go up. We surely do. Bull bar ending on its high. Like I said, overlapping bars cause for concern. Could chop around here a little bit. Fat fish. Thank you for your service, sir. I did not know you're a veteran. Look, I worked night shifts this month. Only reason I was trading pre, I have zero energy to keep trading. But it's like, hey, you're hustling. You know, I respect it. I respect it. I'm gonna take advantage of the fact that we're so choppy here. Let's see if we can make some bamboo. Don't quite get to the level I wanted to get to. Wow, give me a really bad fill. I'm gonna scale in one time. Give me a really bad fill. I don't know why. I don't know why it filled me there. gonna scale it one time because we're so choppy. Thinking we can, I should be buying down here. Rather than, whoa! Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. That was crazy. 11 pushes up. We're breaking the previous week's high here. Almost. I'm ready for it though. I don't mind this pullback. I actually prefer this pullback here. Second entry long. We got this, pandas. We absolutely got this. Second entry long, coming off the 20 EMA. Do I want the second entry long? That's a question. Almost rather wait for Big Mama to pop.
2,500.
It's a good signal bar. Wow. Wow. That's terrible. Reverses on a dime. That's a shame for those who went long here. That's a darn shame. That is a big old reversal looking thing. Okay, something about CQG is very laggy. Like, Take Profit Trader does not use rhythmic. It uses CQG. And it's like, it's kind of laggy. It's weird. Like, that price action coming up here, like, it was very laggy getting up there. I still have this level here to see. Be a full-blown reversal, though. Okay. 4 pushes down. I'll take a higher low of some sort here. But Nolly Hawk says they also no. Nope. That's not true. You're thinking about my funded futures. You're thinking of MFF. Take Profit Trader. There's no scalping rules. There's actually zero consistency rules when it comes to trading. You're thinking about my funded futures. My funded futures is trash. Don't even trade it. Don't even use it. I'll say right now the only two legitimate ones are Apex and, well, we're seeing it. Take Profit Trader is legitimate. We're trying it right now. I'll tell you right now, it's a little bit laggy, the CQG data. Very strange how laggy it is. Like, you do not want to lag when it comes to trading at all. Like, that could destroy your accounts. Even the smallest amount of lag. All right. Really big push down. It's crazy because with this huge push up, huge push down, right? Big up, big down, big up, big down. It's a big trading range still. Guess I should assume that. Wow. Hello. I should be going long somewhere, I guess. If we're in a big trading range, I might as well take advantage of the fact I know that. Like, we had a huge push down like this. We have another huge push down. I am not falling for the same trick. I am not falling for the same trick here, pandas. I'll tell you that much. Okay. What in the world is happening? The market is building up for something. It is just boiling. High pressure. Boiling right now. Bouncing up the 20 EMA here. I feel like I'm just short, I guess, what I'm looking for. How many evals? I'm trading only one right now. I want to get through one. I want to do one at a time for TPT and just see how it is. And if it is what it seems it is, then I will increase my size. The max you can do is five with 5 accounts. So, but let's get payouts on one account and see what happens, and we'll go from there. Nice bounce off the 20 EMA here. Makes me want to go in a second just short if we get one. Bears showing that they have some, right? The limit orders are coming in. There's some limit order bears here at least. I will do a reversal. I will do a reversal if this reverses. I will reverse my trade if this reverses. It's such a bad signal bar. I'll try anyways. We're above the 20 EMA now. Okay, we're way above the 20 EMA now. Wish me luck, pandas. Here we go. Whoa! It reversed on me instantly. Whoa! Okay. I got it. I got it. Reversed on me immediately. Okay, so it does trigger. Okay. In this trade. In it to win it. Here we go. Remember, we can only make 1,500 today. That's 12.5 points, something like that. Okay. Don't quite get there. Struggling. Potential to make it. Oh boy, that's not good. Okay, that's better. Okay. Well, we hit our target, 1,500. In fact, we made too much money now. I gotta lose some money here. Where are my trade markers? Why are my trade markers not showing up? I hate this. I gotta restart. I probably have to restart. I gotta lose like 200 bamboo here. Otherwise, it's gonna be not super difficult, but a little more difficult. Let's lose a little bamboo here. I'm gonna have to counter trend trade here. I'm gonna go short. into the 20 EMA. Okay. I'm gonna go short on this second entry long. I'm gonna lose a little bit of bamboo here. Oh shoot. I have to lose 200 bamboo, pretty much. Hopefully I don't make money here. It doesn't matter because it's an end of day threshold. So even if I make like $5,000, it all matters at the end of the day. All right, so we made exactly what we need. 1490. I think that's perfect. Pandas, we're halfway there. Oh shoot. How could I forget? Easy peasy. Japanesey. Pandas. We made max on the take profit trader. So I guess I'll jump on Sim. I could trade my Apex accounts. Should I jump on Apex? Let me trade Sim. This day's too stanky. This day's too stanky. I mean, this is boiling. This is like some high pressure cooking right now. High pressure cooking. Absolutely. What a beaut, right? I mean, that's a second entry long that you can't not pass. Right? If I was trying to make money, that's a nice setup here. Coming off a trend line, also 20 MA. Good enough for a scalp, at least. Well, let's see if it makes a 1-to-1. Yeah, I mean, it's already 1-to-1 for... Okay, it's not there yet, actually. Your 1-to-1... just hits it, I think. I look for at least a 1-to-1. I mean, I look for a new high typically in these situations. Crazy, I don't get it. You recover from... Oh, yeah. I reset. I busted accounts and I just reset it. I didn't reset it. I just bought new ones because it's cheaper. Resetting is $100, but if you buy them, it's 50% off. So it's like $85. I mean, at least 1,000 contracts. We gotta do at least 1,000. Like, what are we doing if we're not doing at least 1,000 contracts? Basically, for take profit, you just need like 2 scalps. You need a scalp per day, and then you can hit the goal. You need like a scalp per day, 12.5 points. Don't mind that sound. It's just a soundtrack I have in the background. I just play it all the time just to drive myself crazy. We're about to break the previous week's high. I mean, We're about to break the previous week's high. We gotta try at least 1,000 contracts, right? At least 1,000 contracts here. Easiest bamboo you'll make in your entire life right here. Get ready. Thousand contract trade. Come on, pandas. Where are my targets? Where are my targets at? Where are my targets at? What's happening? What is actually happening? Where are my targets at? Oh man, where are my targets at? I don't know what's happening. Do I got a bamboo pacifier? Baby Panda just wants bamboo as well. Hey, that makes it's even more reason why you got to do this well, right? Even more reason. I don't even know where my targets are, pandas. Oh, they finally came out. Whoa, whoa, what do you know? Look who decided to finally show up. Well, we hit our first target. Like, I don't even know what the market's even doing right now. Like, this could be in the past because it's like kind of lagging, I guess. Okay, hits a second target. I can't even move my targets. Like my charts are frozen, pandas. I just gotta. It's destiny at this point. I cannot control my destiny. It's being controlled for me. I can't even move my stop loss to break even at this point. I mean, that's what happens when you trade like an institution. That's what happens when you trade 1,000 contracts at a time. You know what I mean? It's not even showing you my profits I'm making. You have to see it on the screen. Pandas, I have no idea what's happening. This chart is kaput. Oh, you know what? I can move it on this one. All right, here we go. For some reason, this chart is messed up. It's like really messed up. Like it's super messed up.
2,500 tick trap.
Darn. I want to go long again. Darn, darn, darn. Like I said, easiest money you make in your life, just buy at the previous week's high. It broke through it, Big Mama. It's blasting through it now. Easiest money you make in your entire life, you just made it right here. 1,000 contract trade. It's okay. The profits are not that amazing. It's decent profits. Shooting for the stars. Right now, I just got this runner going. Let's see if we can make some bamboo. I mean, I might as well let the runner run. Oh, I can move. I can move this now. Might as well make my runners run. See how high they can run. I'll use swing pivots. I'll use some swing pivots. While the moment I heard 1,000 contracts, I had to join the stream. Easiest money you make in your entire life. Just buy at the previous week's high, the break of it, and with 1,000 contracts at least. We got a second entry long. Gonna change this pivot once we break this pivot high. Not yet. Waiting patiently. Actually, such another good trade. We're bouncing off our trend line and 20 EMA here still. Actually, such a nice trade here. You can see this one's kind of going beneath the trend line now, making it a little more sus. Second entry long here, but again, breaking the trend line. We're not actually on the trend line anymore, but we're still in the 20 EMA. Teeny risk as well. The risk is not large. Very small risk here.
2,500 tick trap.
Second entry long triggers. I'll move this here once we break the previous pivot high. Right, once we break this pivot high, this is my new pivot to work with for the swing trade. I moved it early just assuming we're going to break this high, but who knows. If we don't break this high, I'm moving it back here. I'll just keep it here for now. We got to break this pivot high in order for me to move to this swing. Yep, gotta wait. Gotta be patient, pandas. Be patient. Trap triggers. Runner not going very far. Runner not going very far. Ooh, I could be wrong. Being patient. Swing stop here. Using the swing stop. See, okay. Pandas. I only made $250,000 on that trade. I'm so poor. Pandas, I'm so poor right now. Only made $250,000 on that one trade. So frustrating. So frustrating. You just want at least one good day of trading. We could try TFT again tomorrow and see if we can get to the 1500 again. And once we hit 1500 again, then we can turn to funded accounts. And then, pandas, you'll see the power of no consistency rules. We're going to shoot for the stars. Shooting for the stars. There's a couple of things, though. You can't trade news. I think that's the main thing. You can't trade news. I think that's the main thing. You can't be in a trade 1 minute before and after news event. And they make it very clear which news events. The CPI, I think FOMC. I think they have a list of them, which is great, right? That's exactly what you want to hear. That's exactly what you want. You want to list the news you cannot enter. Otherwise, it's arbitrary, right? Like, if there's a big move without news, some company can say, well, there was news. That's the only reason why you made money. And it could be like, some helicopter crashing into an airplane. And that could cause a huge spike in the market. I mean, that's technically news, but that's not news that necessarily you're like trying to trade. But some company can say, well, that's news. Why were you in a trade? And it's like, well, you can't even predict that news. They can. It's arbitrary for them what to use as news. So you want the prop firm to tell you exactly. If you can't trade news, you want the prop firm to tell you exactly what news you can't trade, which I respect for TPT. I think my main concern with TPT is that it becomes insolvent. Right? No consistency rules. When you're funded, it's actually funny because there's more consistency rules in the eval portion, which to me makes a lot of sense. Right? There's more um, consistency rules in the evals, and even then, it's not even that many. It's not even that many rules. It's just basically the 50% consistency rule. 50%. I mean, 50% is nice. Like, I mean, for a funded account, that'd be nice. But without any consistency rules, you don't even you can make $7,000 in one day just on some sort of windfall trade, big major trend reversal, max contracts, just have a runner somewhere. I don't know. There's just so many ways you can really make a lot of money. So we'll see. Another bad thing about TPT, you can only make 5 counts at a time, which is not too bad, right? 5 accounts. If you're like shooting for the stars with 5 accounts, you can make serious bamboo. You can make some serious bamboo. I'm just waiting for my next big trade, which could be coming up right here. Quick 1,000-point trade here. One more 1,000-point trade. Here we go. Okay. 1,000-point trade. Here we go. Here we go. Only 232 of my contracts. All right, we're in. Another 1,000 contract trade.
5-minute
Just
trap.
just a normal day for me. Obviously, just a normal day for me. Just another normal day for me. It's regular trading. Easily trading 1,000 contracts. Only problem is trading 1,000 contracts is that your charts get so messed up. Like, I don't even see my take profits. Don't see my orders to get out of this trade. It can go sour at this point. I can't move my stop loss anywhere. It's just fate at this point. Fate is taking over. That's all I could depend on. It's all fate here. There are my targets. First target hit. 800 contracts out. Okay. I'll take it.
Target filled.
Move to break even. If the charts allow me to move anything, I can't move anything. So it is what it is. It's completely frozen. So like you're just stuck. It's just at this point it's just pure fate. Pure fate. Fate is not in my hands any longer. It's in another person's hands. It's in the hands of Mr. Ninja Trader. Okay, here we go. We've unlocked our... We are unfrozen now. And we're going to absolutely get it. Let's see if we can get the second target here. I'd love to see the second target get hit. So to take profit, I literally can go max contracts here. Just go max contracts. And have runners go. Whoa, 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 whoa! Okay, we're unfrozen. Here we go. Whoa! Let's get it. This new high is like almost certain. It's a certainty, isn't it? It's a certainty, isn't it? This new high. Okay, I need this runners to get hit. Second target about to get hit. This is an absolute certainty, isn't it not? Is it not an absolute certainty here? Can you imagine 10,000 contracts? Can't you imagine 10,000 contracts? This is a certainty, isn't it? Hitting this next target, making a new high. I just feel like it's certain. There's some things that are certain, and this is one of them. It's essentially free money, no? Essentially free money here. Like, it's gonna hit. We're still darn close. Oh, wow, that pop up. I'd be very surprised if we don't get filled here. I'd be very surprised if we don't reach our second target. I'd be actually very surprised if we don't. But you know what? Nothing surprises me anymore in this market. Oh, there it is. Absolute certainty we're going to hit that. Bam, 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 bam. All right, let's see if our runner can run. How high can you fly? How high can you fly? Decent push up. Swing stops. Huh. Okay. You might think 1,000 contracts is crazy. But if you think about it, if you trade max contracts on 300 the 300K accounts with Apex and you have 20 accounts, you're trading 700 contracts at a time. 700 contracts. I mean, you think thousands far-fetched, but if you think about it, 20 accounts with the 300K accounts, the max contracts you can trade 35 contracts. Just think about it, pandas. You're trading 700 contracts at one time. This is not too far off from what you can do with Apex. I'm going to keep riding this. No reason for me to stop riding this wave here. No reason to stop here. Right, making higher lows every single time here. Higher highs. If you're skilled enough, you can have less than 5-point stop loss in NAS. It depends on what time frame you use. I don't think 5-point stop loss even, I don't know. I just feel like that's, with the volatility, is very little. Like, that means your profits you're making, or maybe you're making 10 points. That's how much I typically make, 10 points. Whoa! Whoa! Full-blown rocket ship. Was anyone ready for that? Like I said, easiest money you make in your entire life. Just buy. Buy at the previous week's high. Protecting our profits here if we make another push up. That was insane, pandas. Whoa! Protecting my profits here. Why stop here, pandas? Who says that this has to stop? Nobody. Nobody says this has to stop. This is flying high. Jeez. Pandas. This is a nice runner. $60,000 runner. Drop in a bucket, though, when it comes to 1,000 contracts. It's kind of funny. Like, 50 contracts is actually little. Jeez, look at this. Just parabolic move. It's insane. Nothing's stopping this, huh? Absolutely nothing is stopping this. 9 pushes up. Why not? Sure, why not? Any pullback at this point, you're expecting it to be very small. Any pullback to be small here. Okay. Oh, wow. This is insane, actually. 9 pushes up. No stopping this. I don't want to leave too much on the table. You know what I mean, Pandas? I don't want to leave too much on the table. As long as we don't break a previous pivot low, we're okay. Just keep riding these pivots. Absolutely insane. We're in insano mode right now, I'll tell you that much. 10 pushes up, come on, we can do it. Easy 10 pushes up here. Easy 10 pushes up. Why stop here?
Target filled.
Pandas. Absolutely insane. Let's see how much profits we made. Just a half a mil. We made just half a million, little more than half a million. I mean, pandas, that's... Like I said, in order to make $1 billion a year... You have to make at least $4 million a day. If you want to make $1 billion a year, you gotta make at least $4 million. I'm not even close. Ugh. Pandas, like, what am I doing with my life? Like, when will I ever become a billionaire at this rate? If you want to make $1 billion a year, you need to make at least $4 million a day, at least on average. I'm only here making $500,000. Ugh. Ugh. Well, that was fun. Markets are finally going. I mean, they are finally going. They are really going. My goodness, they're going. Pandas. I hope you guys enjoyed today's stream. We hit max on our take profit eval. We're going to trade again tomorrow on them, and let's see. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we can hit max again. If we hit max again, then we can get funded, and then once we get funded, it's gonna be a whole new era, pandas. It's gonna be a brand new era. You'll see. The thing about take profit is the hard part is the eval. The easy part is actually the funded account. Alright, pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed today's stream. Make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't. Hit that like button if you haven't already. And pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning, 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. Hope to see you guys there. Use code BBN for 80% off Apex while it still lasts, and 50% off TPT. Links are in the description. Take advantage of them while they last. Pandas, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.
2500 tick trap.